What if someone accidentally opens your PDF and gets access to your personal documents, bank statements, or confidential files? Before you hit send, take 10 seconds to protect your PDF with a password right from your iPhone. First, go to the App Store and download Systweak PDF Editor app on your iPhone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on PDF Tools, and here you'll see all your PDF management options in one place. Now tap on Security and then select Open Document. Locate and choose the PDF file you want to protect. Next, enable the password to open the document option. Enter a strong password for your PDF, then re-enter it to confirm. You can also enable Restrict Document Printing and Restrict Content Copying for added security. This helps prevent others from printing the PDF or copying its content without your permission. Once you have selected the security options you need, save the document. The app will now encrypt the PDF and secure it with your chosen password. That's it, your PDF is now password protected. To make sure everything worked correctly, let's try reopening the PDF. You will notice that the document now requires the password before anyone can view it. This ensures that only authorized users can access the file. Before you go, have you used this app before? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And that's how easy it is to password protect a PDF on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful videos.